Hey everybody, this video we're looking at a Nissan Versa door lock, junkyard, $2 to get in, $4 for the lock. You just gotta pull it yourself. And we got a Lishi 3-in-1 pick and decoder here. And we're gonna see if we can at least pick this lock here. If not, pick and decode it. And we'll put our pick in. Zoom out a hair. Okay, focus. Alright, so now we're going to do this here is we will go let that make sure we're all the way in, and make sure my device is going to hang on to it here. Should be good. Picks in. Okay, so we'll put some tension on it and start picking here. So we got 3 being stiff. Okay, click on that. Go to 4. 4 springy, we leave it alone. 5 tension. Click on that. Go to 6. 6 is springy. 7 springy. 8 springy. Okay, now it feels kind of weird. Okay, there it goes. It just went. And 10 springy. And 4 is binding. Click on 4 and we're open. Alright, so now we've got it picked. You can actually use the same tool to decode it here and rotate it back to the camera a little bit here. Okay, and if you were wanting to decode this, sorry, so I need a friggin' camera person. Alright, so now decode it here. Start at 3. And then it goes all the way to the 1 position. So it's going to be a number 1. And it would be a number 3. Number 2. Number 4, number 3, number 4, number 4, and a number, I think that's going to be a 4 as well. So then you'd be able to go cut a key, and you'd have a key to the door, then you just progress it for the ignition, and you have your key. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have, thank you. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.